Unraveling the mystery, factoring equations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English and mathematics. Today, we're exploring a topic that sounds complex but is incredibly useful: factoring equations. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just a curious mind, understanding this concept is key to unlocking many aspects of math. So, let's break it down together. At its core, factoring is about breaking down. Imagine you have a big box filled with smaller, identical boxes. Factoring is like opening that big box to find out what smaller boxes are inside. In mathematics, when we factor an equation, we're looking for the simplest pieces, numbers, variables, or expressions, that, when multiplied together, give us the original equation. Before we dive deeper, let's ensure we understand what an equation is. An equation is like a balance scale. On one side, you have one expression, and on the other side, another expression. The equals sign, smiley face, is like the fulcrum of the scale, indicating that both sides are balanced or equal in value. When we talk about factoring equations, we're focusing on simplifying one or both sides of this balance to understand it better. Factoring can seem daunting at first, but it's like solving a puzzle. Here's a simplified process. 1. Look for common factors. Check if there are any numbers or variables that every term of the equation shares. 2. Grouping. Sometimes, you'll need to group terms to find common factors or patterns. 3. Apply factoring formulas. There are several formulas and methods, such as the difference of squares or the quadratic formula, that can help simplify equations. 4. Check your work. Always multiply your factors to see if you get back to the original equation. This ensures accuracy. Factoring equations is not just a mathematical exercise. It's a fundamental skill that helps in solving more complex problems. By breaking down equations into simpler parts, we can solve for unknown variables, understand the properties of numbers, and even predict outcomes in real-world scenarios. It's a building block for higher mathematics, including algebra, calculus, and beyond. We hope this video has shed some light on the seemingly complex world of factoring equations. Remember, like any skill, it becomes easier with practice. Don't be discouraged by the initial complexity. Once you start to recognize patterns and apply the strategies we've discussed, you'll find it much more approachable. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel more confident in tackling factoring equations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.